to the fucking.
He's got the hat and everything.
The boat party.
DJ, steal your boat.
Let me drive the. I think they're gonna let me drive the boat.
Yeah.
I hope so. I gotta even change stuff. All right, we all fitted up.
We ganged up. We ganged up.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Arg.
Arg. And shit.
We're pirates and booty.
Like
We're about to fuck up this boat. Yo! Arg. Yo, we finna be on a boat. Let's go. So sick. Alright, I'm gonna turn this shit off right now, but this is crazy.
I know, I think.
I'm gonna check out if my views are right.
What up? What's up? Happy birthday. Birthday sex. Birthday sex.
It's my boy Paul.
What up, Paul?
Oh, the guy you've been telling me about.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to your set.
Hell yeah.
He loves
Hell
your
yeah.
kind of music, so I was telling him, I was like,
I
yeah,
got
you should.
I'll put it in
Put
there.
that Maria Maria mix.
Yeah, you like that one? That's funny. Yeah, I got
As soon as
you.
you played it, I was like, dude, my boy would love this rip mix that you just did.
I sent it to him. I was like, yo, this is my favorite song. He's like, bro, you need to listen to my boyfriend's mix.
Alright, I was just gonna freestyle, so.
Go for it, yeah. Do whatever you want to do, man.
I have like a couple
You'll always
songs
kill
planned,
it.
but I'm like, whatever. I'll just like
Do
fucking
whatever you
freestyle.
feel, man. We trust. Dude, if it's anything like Deli Nerds, it's gonna be lit.
Yeah, I usually freestyle there.
There you go.
Dude, we all pirates and shit. Pirates and
Boats and hoes.
boats and all.
Exactly, that's how we play.
What's up, guys?
I was literally thinking about the casual stuff. We all Who needs to go to France?
Yeah. What a life. I just want to drive the boat.
If you want to take over the boat, I'll support you.
I'm all. They see me
Turn
rolling.
into real pirate.
I got one, thank you. You good? You're good, yeah.
Hey.
That's sick. Very nice.
Staring straight into the sun.
Yeah. I mean, you should just just sit right there. We'll crowd around you.
Everyone put Josh on your shoulders.
And don't drop him overboard.
Man overboard.
Hey baby, come on in, I've been waiting for you. Slow, relax, you know, I got a few things I've been thinking about. I'd like to share them with you. I know things have been a little strained around here lately because of all the...
How long even is this boat thing? I have no idea.
10 hours. It never ends.
We're going until we run out.
Yo, the captain let me drive the boat. Let me drive the fucking boat. Damn. What's up, vlog? We're on a boat. What do we think about this boat?
Oh yeah. Pirates left for me, baby.
Talk about. Yeah, we're on a boat right now. It's crazy. What's up, vlog? We're on a boat.
That's the best way to describe it.
Yo, mom, check this out. I'm on a boat right now.
What the fuck is
Look,
good?
we made it.
Quick update: we are on a boat.
We are still on the
Still on the boat.
I know
Wow, it's a wrap. We still on a boat. Update.
Yeah.
Just got off the boat. We got these guys chilling.
Are y'all doing